Hello folks, this is the uleFone Note 16 Pro, and it's kindly sent to me, made in China. Let's get into it immediately. But yeah, I'm absolutely digging this thing. It's an absolute beast. This uleFone Note 16 Pro has got a really nice display on it. It's really very responsive. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now. It's certainly good at games as well. Here we go. Really nicely, very smooth. It has got, oh, it's all quite loud, isn't it? Hang on, let me just turn that down. But yeah, as you can see, it's just really responsive. So it's got an octa-core processor in it, 256 gig of ROM and 8 gig of RAM, a 6.52 inch water drop display on it. It's nice and thin, and on the back of it here, it's got a 50 megapixel dual camera as well, a dual reel camera with a flash. And when you look at the cameras, you can see they really are quite different cameras as well, so clearly they work in unison together. So one thing is, it's a 4G phone. It's not enabled for 5G, but I mean, to be honest, who really needs a 5G? It has a fingerprint sensor on the side of it here as well, so you can touch that and you can effectively log into it. A 4,400 milliamp hour battery in this little beast, and actually it's really quite thin as well. It's not particularly fat. When you compare it with my A52G, it's well, to be fair, that is the Samsung with a bit of an industrial case on it. It really is a nice slimline phone. And the other thing to note, you get a free case with the phone as well. It's just one of these sort of translucent cases, but it just adds that little bit of protection. Nice bit of forethought. It's Android as well, so it's all Android 13, so you've got all of your apps on there and all of the stuff that you need and you want to play around with. The camera, well, let's just have a quick look at the camera. What can we take a picture of? Take a picture and let's have a look at that. And yeah, it's a decent, it really is quite a decent camera on here. You get some nice shots. I've spent some significant time on Skype calls with friends on this as well. Actually, that 4,400 milliamp hour battery is really quite good. It runs the phone for a good 24 hours between charges. I'm really quite stoked with this phone. So uleFone, thank you very much for sending me this, and I will say, for the price tag, this is absolutely worth it. A very cool phone indeed. Thank you very much, uleFone. Also with the package, you get some little instruction manuals, warranties and all that kind of stuff, and you get the obligatory charger and charger cable. And this is a UK charger as well, which is quite nice to see. The other thing to consider is the fact that this has got USB-C on the bottom of it. So a nice loud speaker on it, and makes very good quality phone calls as well. So ladies and gentlemen, there it is, the uleFone Note 16 Pro. An absolute wonder in from China. And let's face it, most phones are constructed in China these days anyway. So yeah, lovely bit of kit. A very good value for money. As always, thanks ever so much for watching Dubious Engineering. Take care, have a wonderful week and weekend, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.